Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY face mask that is perfect for acne and dry skin. All the products I used you probably have in your own home, and you can also make this face mask. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed. I would love to have you. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. You definitely don't want to miss any videos. The ingredients for this face mask are 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon or less of water. And you want to put it in a bowl and mix it all together. This face mask is great for clearing breakouts, brightening your skin, and evening your skin tone. You can test patch on your arm. Some people have found cinnamon can irritate their skin, but for me, I've never had any issues, but everyone's skin is different. Before applying the mask, you want to make sure your face is clean of any dirt or makeup. Cinnamon is really great. It has antibacterial properties that can help prevent acne, while the nutmeg is a gentle exfoliator, and the honey will make your skin soft and hydrated. After I get my face mask on, I'm going to be taking my fingers and gently massaging around my face. This is going to be gently exfoliating my skin. Keep the face mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll want to rinse the mask off with warm water because it is sticky. Since the nutmeg is exfoliating, my face is a little red in some spots, but it should only last a few minutes. It is perfectly normal for your face to be red after exfoliating, but it should never last long. After a face mask, you always want to moisturize your skin. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see a DIY face mask video part 2 or a DIY hair mask, comment down below. Thanks for watching.